What you see here is a Moss WF series, 42-inch, not exactly a common size. This one is made by TAT. Blades are rather wide. Hard to see. But that's a 52-inch motor. Yeah, it's full size. So 42-inch blades. Thinking, yeah, it's gonna fly, right? So, keep in mind, early spinner motors for traditional residential fans were pretty much industrial motors, meaning they ran off of speed. Now, a 42-inch fan with a 52-inch industrial motor, I wonder what that's gonna do. Let's find out, shall we? Okay, we're gonna start on low. Seems to have a bad coil. It's got that dreaded buzz, buzz, buzz. Interestingly enough, it's already moving a lot of air on low. So, now, power up to medium. Which, yeah, it seems like high. And this is fast for any 42-inch fan. Now, go straight up high. This thing flies. I mean, it blows any other 42-inch fan out of the water. It's probably, I'd say, 350 RPMs. It's fast as hell. reverse it. What's interesting is that cyclic buzz is considerably reduced in reverse. Also has a little bit of bearing noise, but for a fan that's over 30 years old, I'd say that's pretty average, par for the course. Now let's just go straight to high, just for the hell of it. Oh wait, that's medium. Interestingly, it's the same speed in reverse as it is in forward, or updraft versus downdraft. A lot of older spinner motors, they are slower in one direction compared to the other. As I've said, these are typically found in 52-inch. 42 inch is actually kind of rare, or uncommon to say the least. And there you go.